we have to find the length of KL segment, and we have given segment KL by expression 11x minus 1, we have unknown x, and segment ML is given by expression 4x plus 20. What else we have given on this diagram? We see that the line NL, this is line NL, is perpendicular, because we have this square here, to segment KM. So we can write that line NL is perpendicular to KM segment. What else? Because we have this red marks of on segment, let's put that we have here point P. Segment KP is congruent to segment MP because we have this red marks. So P is the midpoint of segment KM. So because P is the midpoint of segment KM and N, we can say NR or NP line is still the same line, is perpendicular to segment KM, so line NL is perpendicular bisector of KM. Why? Because this line is perpendicular to this segment KM, and this line divides segment KM to two equal segments. So NL is line is the perpendicular bisector of KM segment. So we can write that NL line is a perpendicular bisector of KM segment. So if NL is perpendicular bisector of KM, then the sides KL and ML are congruent. It means that KL is equal to ML. Length of KL segment is equal to length of ML segment. This we have by perpendicular bisector theorem. So we can write that by perpendicular bisector theorem Let me remind you of this theorem one more time. If the line NL is the perpendicular bisector of KM segment, then length of sides KL and ML is the same. So the segment KL is congruent to segment ML. So we can write that KL is equal to ML. So now KL is given by expression 11x minus 1, so we will substitute left side by this expression is equal. ML is given by expression 4x plus 20, so we got equation with one unknown x. So now I will move 4x to the left side, because on the left side I have bigger number 11x, so if I subtract 4x I will have positive expression on the left side. So we have 11x minus 4x is equal, we have 20 on the right side, and negative 1 I will move to the right side, so will be plus 1. So we have 11x minus 4x is 7x is equal 21. We have multiplication on the left side, so now I will divide both sides by 7 to get x. 7 and 7 can reduce, and we have that x is equal 3, because 21 divided by 7 is 3. We have unknown x, so now we will come back to our segment KL. KL is given by expression 11x minus 1. We have unknown x, so now we substitute x by 3. So we have 11 times 3 minus 1. So this is equal 33 minus 1. So this is equal 32. We have the length of segment KL. This is my solution.